Should you feed your actors and your film crew? Hey guys, I'm Dimi Hardorff, and first of all, comment down below with your thoughts and your views on today's topic. Do you think we should feed our film crew and our actors? Yes or no, and why, or why not? Comment down below. Recently, I read a discussion, a post in a Facebook group about a guy who asked about funding and making a budget for his indie short film, his independent short film. And like many other filmmakers, he was kind of broke. He didn't have a lot of money, and he asked for ways to fund it. And a guy actually made a really good comment. He said that he does not feed his actors and his film crew, because a big post in any film budget is to feed the crew and the actors. He said that many filmmakers actually, when they start out, don't use famous actors because they don't have the money to pay them, of course, and they then use unknown actors, which are used to play on theaters, not getting paid, and offering them a really good script. A really good script, the best script, is far more worth than some fast food and some day-old donuts. It's a new way for them to get seen by a new audience, on a new platform, on film festivals. And if you do your best to make a great movie, then I personally think it's okay to ask them to bring their own food. They are not getting paid a salary to work for you, but what he offered was a contract which said that if the project made any profit at all, he would share the profit with the actors and with the film crew. And that was on paper in a contract. Personally, I think that's a great idea, because when I make a project and I wanted to make a short film or a best short film, I only have, let's say, $5,000 to make the short film. Do I really need to use $2,000 or $3,000 of those $5,000 to feed the crew and the actors? Instead, I could use them to hire or buy a new piece of equipment, some lighting, some audio, a better camera, or I could use it to hire the perfect location, the perfect spot. If I had to take half of the money to buy food, I would have to slack down on the quality of my project, of my films, and that's why the actors are working for me, to be in a great short film, to get seen, to get something on the show reel they can show producers and instructors in the long run. So I think it's a great idea. You should not feed your actors. You should not feed your film crew. You should actually try and save the money and use them to improve your film project in general, with something new, piece of equipment or a new spot or something else. Of course, you could offer them some bottles of mineral water. Of course, that doesn't cost the world, but no, you shouldn't feed your film crew. That's my view on it. Let me know what you think. Comment down below. Should you feed your film crew? Yes or no? And is there a difference in it if it's a big Hollywood production, contrary if it's a short film made by an indie filmmaker like the most of us are? I think there is. Of course, Hollywood productions has a way larger budget and have the money to feed the staff and the crew and the actors. Personally, I don't. Let me know your comments, comment down below, and thanks for watching, and have a splendid day. See you, folks.